So the question is, how much is it going to cost me to hire a lawyer to defend myself in a criminal case? And this answer is going to drive you nuts because I'm going to tell you it depends. And that's the famous lawyer answer because it doesn't really give you an answer, right? But honestly, it does depend because what's your crime that you're charged with, okay? Is it going to be a smaller case? Like, is it a, simple petty theft from a store, like in a shoplifting scenario? Or is it going to be more complicated? Are you accused of some type of sexual, crime, like sexual assault or rape or child molestation? There's going to be a difference, in cost between a petty theft and a much more serious case. Now, when you're hiring a lawyer, I think the thing that you can do up front is try to figure out, is the lawyer going to be charging me on a flat fee basis, or is that lawyer going to charge me an hourly rate? And the difference between the two, is big in that with an hourly rate, you as the client don't necessarily know how much it's going to cost you in the end to pay the lawyer to handle the case, okay? Your case could be complicated by certain things, and it may not even be things that are related to your case. It may be that your case gets continued a lot when it's set for trial, let's say, because there's not enough courtrooms. But you and the lawyer still have to keep showing up, and now your costs are just going up and up and up, and nothing, it's really due to your fault or the nature of your case. It's just the way the process works, okay? So with the hourly rate, you're subject to unknown costs, whereas with a flat fee, you have an idea up front, not an idea, I mean, you know how much it's going to cost you to defend your case. And I generally offer to my clients a flat fee because I think they like to know there's a certainty that they get that, hey, I'm going to have this lawyer and this is what we're going to do in the case and this is what it's going to cost me, okay? I, as a lawyer, take on that risk of taking a flat fee versus doing an hourly rate because, and here's what the risk is, I make less on a flat fee than if I charge hourly because if I do more work than what was anticipated, well, that's just too bad. I have a flat fee with the client. Well, it works great for the client, and I think what works great for the client generally works best for me as a lawyer because happy client, happy lawyer, more cases for me, right? So I offer the client a flat fee because not just I'm trying to make them happy, but I mean, I should know, my duty is, given, my thousands of cases that I've, assisted clients with in the past, is to know what work should really be going into this case. And, I'm going to kind of get an idea of that when I first start talking to the client on the phone. Okay, I'm going to hear what the facts are, and I'm going to hear, okay, well, I probably need to do this, I need to do that, and this is where it needs to go, and I start getting a better idea. And then always the big surprise comes when we get the discovery, meaning like the police report and the actual evidence, because that's where we start, having to review things and see, hey, well, what we thought was one way may actually be another way, and that's where, extra work can come in. But obviously, doing a flat fee, I think, is better for people because they get to have a set cost and they know the lawyer's going to put in their best faith effort, to get them outcome that they need. So those are kind of my thoughts on flat fee, hourly, how much is it going to cost to hire a lawyer? Get an opinion up front, get the, lawyer to tell you, hey, look, if these are your charges and this is what the county your case is going to be in, this is what I'll charge. If you want to, get my opinion on a case, give me a call and I'll let you know. I'm Nafiz Ahmed and I'm happy to talk to you.